RGB to HSV wrong in colorsys? I'm using the colorsys lib of Python. But this output is wrong. This is the true value using the RGB to HSV online converter, RGB to HSV. What's going on?
Colorsys takes its values in the range 0 to 1. Coordinates in all of these color spaces are floating point values. In the X space, the Y coordinate is between 0 and 1, but the I and Q coordinates can be positive or negative. In all other spaces, the coordinates are all between 0 and 1. You need to divide each of the values by 255. To get the expected output.
To avoid errors like this, you can use Colorier. It uses colorsys under the hood but allows for format specification.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.